talk a little first alert weather with the chief. Sweater weather, McKenna, is finally here.
It is. And in fact, since we're talking sports, the number the Broncos put on the board Sunday, that'll be about the number we're talking for our forecast low by Wednesday.
We like it.
Yeah.
Well, not the score, but the temperature. The temperature.
The temperature. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, 40s. I tried. Let's talk about the hurricane first. Let's get to the tropics because we are talking Hurricane Melissa, which is a Category 5 catastrophic storm expected to make major impacts to Jamaica as we get through tomorrow, starting tomorrow, really. But already talking some very strong winds, 175 miles per hour. In fact, this is the strongest storm to ever hit the island and to ever hit Jamaica since record keeping began back in 1851. You can see that very well-defined eye as Melissa makes its approach, really going to cause a lot of problems for Jamaica in the way of life-threatening flooding. We're talking highest elevations really taking the brunt of this as we get through the next few days. That life-threatening storm surge and, of course, the structural damage that will be expected when you're talking wind speeds this high. Let's take a look at the track as we get through the next few days. Notice as it starts to interact with land by Wednesday, starts to decrease, that land starts to tear it apart a bit and decreases to a Category 2 storm and then stays in the Atlantic. We're not looking at any major impacts to the United States mainland as we get through the next few days. Reason for that is because we've got an area of low pressure and a series of fronts that will keep Melissa out into the Atlantic. So that is good news for us, but really going to be a place to watch. Jamaica, Cuba, Haiti as we get through the next few days, the Bahamas as well. Those hurricane and tropical storm force winds as we get through the midweek. And then again, that continues up along the Atlantic coast. So thinking of them certainly back close to home. We are looking at a bit of a change in our weather pattern. Nicole mentioned it there. Here's how things are looking. We have this cold front that starts to move in. You can see it coming out of the Rockies. That red and those yellow bright colors, that's our next front. That's going to bring us some gusty winds as well as we get into tomorrow. Starting about mid-morning, that front arrives. And then as we get into tomorrow afternoon and into Wednesday, that's when temperatures will really start to cool. Now let's talk what this does in the way of rainfall as this cold front does start to move in. Mid-morning tomorrow, notice we've got some isolated shower activity. Cold front pushes through and notice those gusts start to pick up just about immediately. 35 to 40 mile per hour wind gusts tomorrow afternoon and even a little bit higher as we head into Wednesday. So make sure you're taking note of that. This is a danger for high profile vehicles. If you've got loose outdoor items, the patio furniture, make sure you're taking a couple of minutes today to tie all of that down out ahead of time so that you're not chasing it a little bit later, causing problems for the neighbors. Bring the garbage cans in as well as we do get into tomorrow and Wednesday when those winds will be the strongest. We do have that first alert weather day in effect for our Wednesday for those high winds and on top of that much colder temperatures. Take a look at this. We start tomorrow morning off in the mid 60s. We head to the middle 70s tomorrow afternoon. By Wednesday morning, there's our sweater weather with temperatures starting off in the mid to upper 40s Wednesday morning. Haven't been that cool since back in April. We head to the low 60s through the middle of the week. Halloween looks fantastic. A high of 70 degrees. Halloween evening, expect temperatures to be falling through the 50s, guys.
Miss Baker talking about pulling a snow shovel out. All right, let's just tap the brake a little bit. Okay?
A little bit.
Maybe the fur. Maybe the faux fur.
I think we're all looking
faux fur
forward to it. McKenna, thanks a lot.